بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. My dear students, welcome to this new vocabulary lesson, vocabulary workshop level C, unit 10. Let's start by reading the words in unit 10. How do we pronounce accord, barter, Curt, devise, dexterous, engross? Word number 7 has two pronunciations. So if you stress the first syllable, N, you're going to say entail, which is a noun. And if you use it as a verb, it will be entail. So stress the tail. Word number 8, ferret. Number 9, habituate. Number 10, impending. Number 11, personable. Number 12, rue. Number 13, scoff. Number 14, transition. Number 15, trepidation. Number 16, braid. 17, veritable. 18, vex. 19, vitality. Number 20, whimsical or whimsical. Both are correct. Stop the video and try to reread the words on your own. Share in the comments which of these words are you familiar with.
Let's begin with word 1. It is accord. Accord. Accord functions as two parts of speech. It can be used as a noun that means agreement or harmony. A person's professional behavior may not be in accord with company regulations. Or accord can be used as a verb meaning to agree or to grant. The demands of a high-powered job may accord a busy executive little time for relaxation. Let's try the second word in Unit 10. It is barter. Barter. Barter also functions as two parts of speech. It can be used as a noun meaning an exchange in trade. Before the advent of money, barter was the usual method of exchanging goods and services. Or barter can also be used as a verb meaning to exchange goods. During colonial times, Native Americans usually bartered furs for European products they desired. Word 3 is curt. Curt. Curt is an adjective meaning short or rudely brief. A general's orders may be decidedly curt. Or a sales clerk may be curt and unhelpful. Let's move on to the next word. It is devise. Devise. Devise is a verb meaning to think out, plan, figure out, or invent. Researchers may devise a safe and reliable method for overcoming jet lag. Or you may devise your own costume for a Halloween party. Our fifth word is dexterous. Dexterous. Dexterous is an adjective meaning skillful in using hands or body, or clever. An audience may be thrilled by a gymnast's dexterous performance on the balance beam. Similarly, a novelist may be noted for his or her ability to devise dexterous twists and turns of plot. Word 6 is engross. Engross. Engross is a verb meaning to occupy the complete attention of. You were engrossed in the newspaper when I entered the room. Or a person may be engrossed in the pursuit of excellence. Word 7 deserves special attention because it has two pronunciations, entail and entail. Which pronunciation you use depends on how the word functions in a sentence. Let's see how this works. If word 7 is being used as a verb, meaning to put a burden on or involve, or to restrict ownership by limiting inheritance, it is pronounced entail. Entail. Climbing Mount Everest may entail more hardship than many would-be mountaineers anticipate. Or, investing in the stock market may entail losses as well as gains. The other pronunciation of word 7 is entail. Entail. This pronunciation is used when word 7 functions as a noun, meaning a restriction on property ownership by limiting inheritance. A landowner may place an entail on the family estate. Similarly, a will may contain a surprising entail that none of the heirs welcomes. Let's recap. Word 7 has two pronunciations. When it is used as a verb, it is pronounced entail. When it is used as a noun, it is pronounced entail. Let's move on to word 8. It is ferret. Ferret. Ferret functions as two parts of speech. It can be used as a noun that means a kind of weasel. It may be illegal to keep a ferret as a pet in a city apartment. Or, ferret can be used as a verb meaning to hunt out or to torment. TV detectives can usually be counted on to ferret out the guilty party in a case. The next word is habituate. Habituate. Habituate is a verb meaning to become used to or to cause to become used to. A person may be so habituated to lying that he or she no longer knows how to tell the truth. Or one of your neighbors may patiently habituate his or her dogs to walking on a leash. Our next word is impending. Impending. Impending is an adjective and a participle meaning about to happen or hanging over menacingly. Trial reporters may try to predict the outcome of an impending verdict. Similarly, a sense of doom may be impending over a besieged city. Word 11 is personable. Personable. Personable is an adjective meaning pleasing in appearance or personality. TV newscasters have to be personable as well as intelligent and articulate. Or, a personable district attorney may go on to a career in politics. Next up is rue. Rue. Rue functions as two parts of speech. It can be used as a verb meaning to regret or to be sorry for. You may rue an unkind remark you made to a good friend. Rue can also be used as a noun that means a feeling of regret. Your heart may be laden with rue for friends you have lost. Word 13 is scoff. Scoff. Scoff is a verb meaning to make fun of or to show contempt for. Sensitive teachers never scoff at students' attempts to express themselves. Or, a bigot can be expected to scoff at other people's values and achievements. The next word in Unit 10 is transition. Transition. Transition is a noun meaning a change from one state or condition. A young child may have difficulty making the transition from home to school. Or, an economist may analyze this country's transition from a farming to an industrial economy. Let's move on to word 15. It is trepidation. Trepidation. Trepidation is a noun meaning fear, fright, or trembling. Try to imagine the trepidation of the Pilgrims as they set sail for an unknown land in 1620. Or, beginning a new job may cause a person some trepidation. Our next word is upbraid. Upbraid. Upbraid is a verb meaning to blame, scold, or find fault with. A psychologist may advise parents not to upbraid their children for every minor failing. Similarly, a coach of a football team may upbraid his players for carelessness in executing key plays. Word 17 is veritable. Veritable. Veritable is an adjective meaning actual, true, or real. Someone you know may be a veritable mechanical genius. Or a senator's office may be buried beneath a veritable blizzard of telegrams and letters from irate voters. The next word is vex. Vex. Vex is a verb meaning to exasperate or to confuse. Sometimes children who want attention vex their parents on purpose. Or flies may so vex a herd of cattle that the animals begin to run in circles. Word 19 is vitality. Vitality. Vitality is a noun meaning strength, energy, or liveliness, the capacity to live and develop, or the power to endure or survive. An art critic may praise a painter for the vitality of his or her work. Similarly, many of our senior citizens possess amazing vitality. The last word in Unit 10 is whimsical. Whimsical. Whimsical is an adjective meaning subject to odd ideas or fancies, or unpredictable. A particular poet's writings may be more whimsical than wise. Or, analysts may be unable to account for the stock market's whimsical behavior. Now, let's review the words in Unit 10. They are pronounced accord, barter, Curt, devise, dexterous, engross, entail, when used as a verb, entail, when used as a noun, ferret, habituate, impending, personable, rue, scoff, transition, trepidation, upbraid, veritable, vex, vitality, whimsical. Well, that completes our work on the words in Unit 10. If you've had any difficulty pronouncing them, or if you feel you'd like a little more practice before you actually try using them, replay this section of the program.
And here we come to the end of this lesson. Today we've talked about Unit 10 Vocabulary Workshop Level C. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.